Right, good news. So, we've got wheels that work. Apparently it goes backwards. Hey, great news everybody. Richard's coming over in a bit, it's the weekend, and I've got a couple of surprises for him, so see what you think. Okay, here we are back with Big Track, and I found some DuPont cables. They're just basically ribbon cables with these little crimped on sockets. So I've now started to plug things in. So very soon we should have things actually maybe working. Great news, Richie is here, and I'm sure he'll get involved and probably help me make this work as well. Yay! What we've got here is the Arduino Nano inside the old Big Track. Just zoom me out a little bit so you can see approximately where it's positioned. It's positioned just next to the LED display there. So I've got to drill a hole here and get that installed. Here we go. First things first, we've got CatMilk. So I'm guessing this must be milk that is milked from cats. Fair? Maybe. And we also have some brains. Apparently 6 pork faggots. Right, so, I'll tell you what, I've been looking forward to having a go on some CatMilk. I've never seen CatMilk before. No. Right, so we've got potatoes that we need to peel. So if I stuff that in there, like that, can you hold the peeler? Can you peel it while I spin it? Right. I suppose there's one way of doing it. Perfect. A little bit nice with it. That's it. Yeah. Oops. That went in your glass. Okay. Do you want to try the CatMilk or shall I? I don't mind. I'll try CatMilk. We can both try it, shall we? I don't mind. Yeah, if you want to try it. Yeah. Okay. CatMilk. And Mr. Brains. Oh my God! Look at that milk everywhere. It's a bit weird, Howard. Is it? Sorry, I've spilled milk on you. That's all right. Whiskers CatMilk. I prefer. Alright, so Rich, these beers, my mate brewed, so irrespective of what they taste like, put a smile on your face and say, turn to the camera and say, oh yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Alright, I'll start recording. Cool. Right, Rich, so my mate brewed some beers the other day, and so let's give them a try, shall we? See what it's like. Yeah, okay, fantastic. Look at this. He's actually bottled them as well, which is really, really nice. That's good. Let's have a little. Smells slightly hoppy.
Yeah.
Smells alright.
It's alright.
Yeah, yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Probably shouldn't be doing that on your dishcloth, should I?
But this is what happens to your front room. You know, you get pieces of big track all over the place. Lordy knows what time in the morning. What time is it, Rick?
Morning. It's
Like 9:30. 8:15. 8:15. Oh my goodness. Okay, gonna have a go at the engineer's way of peeling a potato. So let's just go ahead and find a nice round potato. I don't want to put my hand through that. So here we go. That works. That's how to peel potatoes. It is morning time, and breakfast is starting. So you're talking to it through a serial interface at the moment.
right.
And there we go. We have
And if I stop that. And
Right, good news. So, we've got wheels that work. Apparently it goes backwards.
should I make it go forwards? It will crash.
I'm recording. So, just want to give you a quick heads up really on how I plan for this Arduino thing to sort of work. So I'm just going to highlight a couple of things. In fact, I will select a nice red pen, like a teacher's marker pen. Anyway, so what have we got then? We've got the Arduino Nano. She's quite a beastie, as you can see in the middle, with many different connections going off in different directions. Over in the top left hand corner here we have the 5-volt buck regulator and the 4.2 volt lithium ion cells, which are generating the 5 volts for the entire system. Down here we have an OLED display, which you saw me fitting just the other day. Thankfully there's only a couple of connections to this, SDA and SCL pins, which are going into A4 and 5, analog 4 and 5 on the Nano. Down the bottom here we've got something that looks like a keypad. I'm not quite sure how we're going to do this at the moment, because if you notice up here, we seem to be rapidly running out of pins on the Arduino. It might require us upgrading to a bigger, fatter, hairier, more power hungry Arduino. Then we have the ultrasonic sensor, which has got the echo and the trigger lines. We have here the H-bridge drive system, which is responsible for driving the two motors, the left motor and the right motor. And associated with those motors here we have some encoders, which are the optical send and receive units. You can see here is the optical send, and here is the optical receive, this guy right here. So, yeah, we've got to wire it all up. I think what we're going to do is we're going to do it in modules. We'll probably test that the Arduino and the OLED display and the power supply. So we'll probably get that lump working first. Then we will tie in that lump, and a little bit later on we will tie in that lump. So yeah, let's see how we do.
This is Big Track, the computer-activated truck from MB Electronics. Program in up to 16 commands, and Big Track will advance, turn, and fire 3 blasts. Big Track follows its instructions and can maneuver around every obstacle to complete its mission. Program it, and Big Track obeys.
Well done, Big Track.
Big Track from MB Electronics.
First,